Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the schematic and PCB layout for the LM386 speaker DIY project. Okay, so first, let's take a look at the schematic. So this is the schematic for our project. Okay, so this is a signal in, this is ground, and this is the power supply. The signal in will connect here. Okay. This is adjustable resistor, and this is a test capacitor. Okay. So we added this capacitor here to change the value of this capacitor to test the signal will affect the signal, the input signal and the output signal or not. Okay, so we leave one test capacitor here. Okay, actually we can directly connect this pin to the input signal, to the input audio. Okay, but here we can adjust the volume for the input signal, so we use one adjustable resistor here. Okay, so here is the decoupling capacitor to filter the noise from the power. Okay, power supply, from the power supply. And this pin 1 to pin A is a gate control, and this adjustable resistor is to change the gate, or for the whole amplifier. Okay, so if we didn't connect anything here, the default gate for the amplifier is 20. Okay, here we want to test, so if we change the resistor value here, how about the output performance? How about the output audio? What's the performance about it for it? Okay, so this is the bypass pin here. We connect one capacitor here to the ground. You can leave it disconnect anything, but remember, do not directly connect to the ground by this pin. Okay, so this is this pin, and here this is high frequency filter. Okay, high frequency filter is used to filter the noise for the P-part noise in the speaker. Okay, so this value for the capacitor, we can adjust it when we actually solder the board to hear the audio from the speaker. You can adjust it, this value, change this value to reduce the P-part noise in the speaker. Okay, so this is this capacitor let the audio signal through here to drive the speaker. Okay, so this is a whole schematic. Let's take a look at the PCB layout for this board. Okay, so this is PCB board layout. Okay, it's very simple. So this is a connector. It's a signal from here into here. So this is adjustable resistor. This is another adjustable resistor. And this is IC. This is LM386 IC. Okay, this is some capacitor here, and this is the output. This is output connector 1 speaker. We can directly attach the speaker on the board here, okay, and then connected the pin here to the speaker. Okay, so this board is very simple, and let's see what will happen when we get the board. Okay, and this is a 5 volt power supply. The trace is under the board. It is on the bottom of the board. Let's take a look at the bottom. So it will go here. Okay. So this is Schematics and PCB Layout for the DIY project. Let's see what will happen when the board return and solder it. Okay, this is Michael, and see you next time.